Now let us study the trigonometric results for angles of a triangle. That is, we will be applying some of the previously derived identities to angles of a triangle. So that means in general, if we have three angles A, B and C whose sum is 180 degrees, that is pi radians, then the following results will apply. Out of them, the first one that we want to derive is to find out sine of A plus B. Now we know that sum of two angles of a triangle is clearly equal to 180 minus the remaining angle. So I can very well write A plus B as pi minus C. And by the allied angle result that we have seen earlier, sine of pi minus any angle theta is same as sine of the same angle. So therefore what it means is, if we have the sum of two angles of a triangle and we take the sine of it, then that is same as sine of the remaining third angle. So considering the cyclic symmetry in these notations, we can also write sine of B plus C to be equal to sine of A, whereas sine of C plus A is equal to sine of B. So these results can be easily derived once we know the fundamental idea. Now, like sine, let us see what happens for cos. So now here we have cos of A plus B. Once again, we can write A plus B as pi minus C. And here, if we recollect, cos of pi minus theta is minus cos theta. So therefore we will get minus cos. And so on for the remaining two cyclic results also. Now let us consider a slight variation as compared to the first one. Now here we will consider A plus B whole divided by 2. So modifying that further, we once again write A plus B as pi minus C, which gets divided by 2. Now if we break the two terms, right, we will get sine of pi by 2 minus C by 2. And once again we are already aware that sine of pi by 2 minus any angle is cos of that angle. So here we get cos of C by 2. So sine of sum of any two angles divided by 2 is equal to cos of the third angle divided by 2. And lastly, let us derive the formula for cos of A plus B by 2. That is equal to, similar to the previous, it is cos of pi minus C upon 2. Once again breaking the fraction inside the bracket, we have cos of pi by 2 minus C by 2. And this is nothing but sine of C by 2 from the previously known result. So these are the four important results for angles of a triangle.